This trend called That Girl has taken over the internet. It includes waking up early, aesthetic meals, working out, drinking lemon water, journaling, and so much more. Here is my version of trying to be that girl. Let's get started. Enjoy. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is currently 7 a.m. I woke up 2 minutes ago and right now I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then I have to work out for around 10-15 minutes. Now there are a few things about this trend that a lot of YouTubers have talked about. Some people say that it's a pretty toxic trend because people are trying to change themselves, which I think is not at all true, because including some good habits in your daily routine can really change your lifestyle and make it like in a good way, because it can make your lifestyle a lot more productive. You can be a lot more creative. It keeps your mind and it keeps you healthy and happy, which is the most important thing. Overall, I feel that it's extremely beneficial, and at least twice or thrice a week everybody should try to follow this routine because it's really going to bring your life together. There's one more thing, that you don't have to exactly copy that girl's routine. You can make your own routine, what makes you happy, and in whichever way your productivity is at its peak. I've seen a lot of videos regarding this trend, so people work out in cute workout outfits and all, but some YouTubers have not done that. They work out in their PJs, so I'm going to follow that because I don't own cute workout clothes because I don't work out at all. I think every 2 months for like 2 days I work out, and I'm like, I don't even need to work out, which is so wrong. You need to work out to keep your mind and body healthy and free. I am a little too lazy to change into workout clothes. Like that, we're gonna take a shower and then get dressed. Looks and tastes really good. I did not wash my hair as it was already clean from the night before. I just used a little bit of hair serum for the lengths. showered. I've made my iced coffee. Class starts in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm going to plan my day and write everything in my bullet journal. This is the June cover. I think it's so pretty. This was the first time I tried this square wala art, and I think it turned out pretty cute. Okay, time to taste the coffee. Emma Chamberlain or Hannah Elise would be so proud of this coffee. It tastes delicious, on point. I'm done with 3 of my classes. Now I have a 1-hour break, so I'll get my breakfast. Although I'm not so hungry, I had a nice tall glass of water, then I had coffee, which has filled my tummy pretty well, but we shouldn't skip meals, so I'm gonna get something light and healthy to eat. People usually drink green juice because it's healthy, but I think mango juice is fine as well, but I can't really drink green juice, and I mean I can, but I don't really have the ingredients to make the green juice, so I'm just going to work with an alternative. I think that's fine. So the whole point is to eat and drink healthy. Mango juice is healthy. So far the day has been really good. I feel amazing, but if I would have washed my hair, I would have felt a lot better, because washing your hair just, I don't know what it does, but it makes you feel relaxed, like overall. So yeah. And what's up with the fairy lights? Oh, electricity is gone. Alright everyone, I'm back with my breakfast. I've got some muesli with some milk. I'm still not sure if we put cereal first or milk first. So I've got both in like different bowls, and let's see, I'm going to Google first. And then I've got some seasonal fruit, which is watermelon, so pretty. And since I cannot drink green juice, I already told you guys, I've got mango juice. And a fork, obviously. So I've got 5 minutes left for my class. It's health and physical education, so I'm going to start eating right now, and the last class is sociology. With that, I'll be done with this week's online class, and then finally the weekend. Right now I have to go to a friend's house and collect some notes, and yeah, I've changed my clothes. I'm wearing, I told you all about a t-shirt that was arriving from H&M. This is the one, the Rolling Stones, and I've paired it with some skinny jeans and some flats. And for jewelry, I have this necklace which I have turned into a bracelet. And of course, after I got back, I made some more iced coffee, got some chips, and opened my laptop to start a new series. That is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Overall, this day was really productive and very nice. Definitely waking up early makes a huge change in your everyday routine. I mean, I wake up at since it was locked down and I had my summer break, so I used to wake up at not before 11:30, which was really bad because I had absolutely no time to do anything. I just watched web series all day and I wasn't productive at all. So I'll definitely try to execute this routine on a daily basis because I'm pretty sure it will actually help a lot. But yeah, this was everything about this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you thought, and also tell me at what time do you guys wake up. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.